Great location in downtown Coquille, next door to the old U.S. Bank building, spacious one-level commercial building with approximately 7,500 square feet, is Zone C1 on a large corner lot, approximately 100 by 100 with on and off-street parking. Used to be a hardware store and has an open floor plan. Bring your ideas and start your own business. Has lots of potential but needs some roof repairs and updating. Please check with the City of Coquille to make sure they allow the use you want to do in this zoning.